Welcome back to Student 73 Tai Chi for your next lesson, which is mysteriously called Playing the Lute. Ha! Let's go over what we have so far from behind like we typically do. I know you've already done your warm-ups, so we'll just go ahead and get started facing our 12 o'clock, relaxing in a monkey stance. Take a few slow, deep breaths, tuning in with your body. Check and make sure the knees can bend, adjusting feet so that they can open when we sit down. Make sure they're not locked, along with your elbows, your fingers are open, your head is being lifted up by the crown, teeth together, tip of tongue on roof of mouth. All of your breath is in and out of the nose. Once settled in, we go from Wuji into Tai Chi. Shift the weight, adjust the right foot, center the weight, receive the gift of Qi. Draw it into yourself. Take a little floaty step. Touch the heel, feel the foot go flat, feel it take your weight. Barely bring the right foot in and then adjust it to about 130 as we begin leisurely tie coat to the right. Also called lazily tie close. Take a little step and give a push here. Align the left heel with the right. Coming to center width on feet. Take a conscious breath in and out in open and close. Single whip left. A little step to the front or 12 o'clock and uprooting open-handed push. The waist turning, brings open the right hand and draws it back in front, fingers down for lifting hands. The heel touches as the hands come to the chest. White crane flashes wings. From here, hands come back in front of the chest for a conscious breath into the belly as we open and out as we close. Brush knee left. Stand on the right foot, open the right hand. Cat stance, open the hand further. Step down on the left heel towards 9 o'clock. Shift weight, tiny follow step. Now, step back, palms face inward. Shift the weight back, raise the left toes. Plant the toes for playing the lute. You may have had a hard time seeing that. I was kind of far away. So I'm going to show you from the front so you can see the position. After I turn into my brush knee to the left, we start playing the lute. So in playing the lute, we end in this position. The hands are on the center line. The toe is touching on the ball of the foot, the heel's up. Both palms are facing in. The right palm faces the left elbow. So let's go over how to get there. You know that we're in this position after our brush knee. The weight's on our left foot, the right ball of the foot touches, the right hand's in front of the shoulder. What we do with our feet is to adjust the right foot back, toe to about 10:30. Then shift the weight to your back foot, raise the left toes, and then touch the toes in an empty stance. So from here, the weight's on our left foot after our brush knee. Then the right foot takes our weight, we lift the left toes, and then we touch the toes. So again, mirror image. After our brush knee, this is my left. Make sure you can see my feet. So we shift the weight back, raise the left toes, and then toes plant. So from brush knee, we have that follow step. Right foot goes back. As the weight comes back, raise the left toes, and then position the foot in a cat stance. That's it. It's pretty simple. So the hands, let me get close so you can see them. The left hand goes forward. The right palm turns to face the left elbow. So both palms turn in. So from here, the hands adjust to this position. And then they change to here. From our brush knee position, step back a little with the right foot, turn the right palm in, left palm faces right elbow. Shift the weight back, pick up the left toes, change the hand position, and then plant the toe. The right palm faces the left elbow. So from brush knee, the left hand's outside, the right hand's in front. Step back just a little so the right toes are to the corner, right palm and left palm face in. Shift the weight back. As you do, your hips are going to turn a little, and then square the hips to 9 o'clock as we touch the toe. It's a very subtle rotation of the lower dantian. So from behind, we're doing it this way. After our brush knee comes playing the lute. Right foot back, adjust the hands, shift the weight back. As you do, the belly turns to about 10:30 with the toe up. We touch the ball of the foot, and now the belly faces 9 o'clock. A subtle rotation to activate the energy of the lower dantian. So again, after brush knee, playing the lute, right foot adjusts behind, both palms face in, shift the weight back, raise the left toes, change hand position, touch the toes, belly and hands facing 9 o'clock. From this position, so you can see, let me do mirror image. Brush knee, adjust the hands inward, shift the weight back, raise the toes, change hand position, and then toes touch. One more time from the front. So brush over your left knee, raise the left hand forward as the right foot touches back, shift the weight, raise the left toes as hands change position. Now belly squares up to 9 o'clock. So hips face 9, shoulders face 9, hands pointing to 9 o'clock with the palms facing inward, ball of the foot touching. Let's add it in from behind, a couple of repetitions after brush knee. Let's just put it in after brush knee. So here we have our open and close, and then brush knee left, stand on the right foot, right hand open, cat stance, hands separate, left heel down, brush over the left knee, tiny follow step, playing the lute. Right foot down, both palms face in. Shift the weight, raise the left toes while left hand extends. Face 9 o'clock, touch the ball of the foot. Here, the right palm is facing the left elbow. Let's do it again. So, brush knee right or left, stand on right foot, open right hand. Hands separating cat stance, heel down. Left hand comes around as we turn hips and shoulders to face 9 o'clock. Barely a step back, adjusting both palms in. Shift weight back, changing hands, toes are up, belly to 1030. Touch the toes, belly to 9. This is a very on guard position. You see this in a lot of martial arts. That's right. That's the move that you're doing. Let's do it 2 more times together. From our brush knee to the left, opening the right hand, left knee open, heel down, hand below the navel, shift weight, brush over the knee, tiny follow step. Plant the back right foot, right palm and left palm face in, shift weight back, raise the toes, changing hand position, touch the ball of the foot, squaring hips and shoulders. So we touch the ball of the foot, not tippy toe, ball of foot. In the palm is the Lao Gong point where we emit the most energy. There is a corresponding point on the foot. In the center of the ball of the foot is the bubbling well. We absorb the most energy from the earth up through the bubbling well. So whenever we're doing a follow step, like here, or we're coming into a cat stance, we touch the ball of the foot, not tippy toe, ball of foot. Let's put it all together in our form. Are you ready? We'll begin going from Wuji into Tai Chi. Shift the weight, turn the right toes. Shift the weight to center. Let the hands come up in front of the shoulders. Then let them drop down to below the navel. Step lightly. Shift the weight to the left foot. Hands are at height of the shoulders as they just barely extend. Leisurely tie coat to the right. Turn the waist and bring the left toes with you. Continue to turn and let the right toes follow around in a circle till they step to 3 o'clock. Aligning the left heel with the right. We center our weight and take a conscious breath in through the nose and out through the nose. Please keep breathing. Single whip left. Step forward. Open-handed push to 12 o'clock. Turn and open the waist. Turn back to 12. Touch the ball of the foot, the bubbling well. Change the hand position. Heel down, hands to chest for a white crane. Flashes wings. Palm facing palm in front of the chest for a conscious breath in as we open and out as we close. Brush knee left. Open the right hand. Cat stance, open hands further. Stepping into a left bow stance, brush over the knee. Tiny follow step. Step back with the right foot, adjust both palms in to play the lute. Shift the weight back, raise the left toes as left hand extends. And then square up to 9 o'clock, touching the ball of the foot with no weight. And that's where we'll close the lesson today. So this playing the lute is actually a breaking of the arm. So you can maybe imagine someone is coming in to punch you. You grab their arm, right? You grab their wrist or their arm, you bring it back, and then you break it with the other hand in front. That's the martial application of this move. So in brush knee, we're here, we would grab that wrist or arm as it comes in a fist, bring it back, and then this outer hand comes on the opposite side of the elbow and would break the arm. It's really easy to break the elbow that way by trying to snap it the other direction. That's the martial application, in case you're interested in learning how to use this. I hope you've enjoyed the session, and then once you've got that down, we'll come into our 12th position. You are moving right along. The 12th position is called intercept and deflect down. I look forward to seeing you there.